Hello everyone, my name is Raj Parikh and I'm a middle school student from New Jersey. Today I will be educating you about pesticides. Pesticides are chemical compounds that are used to kill pests, including insects, rodents, fungi, weeds, or unwanted plants. Reading the label of pesticides you're purchasing is very important because you have to make sure the pesticide is intended for the specific use, making sure you're using the right amount, and you should also buy the right amount because if you store them, it can be harmful. Pesticide labels should include the ingredients, signal word, how toxic the product is, precautionary statements, first aid information, environmental hazards, personal equipment hazards. That should include what you should wear while using pesticides, direction for use, storage and disposal, manufacturer's contact information, EPA, Environmental Protection Agency, registration number. Some common types of pesticides are insecticides, which kills or repels insects, ticks, mites. Herbicides, rodenticides for rodents like rats and mice. Bactericides, fungicides, and larvicides. How do pesticides affect the environment? Well, pesticides contaminate the soil, water, and vegetation. Any living being could eat something that is contaminated and then die. The same goes for reptiles, birds, and insects that are helpful to us. You can spray pesticides for a particular living thing to kill them, but the predator can eat that and be affected. That can cause the predator to die or have serious issues. That can keep going on throughout the food chain. By killing the microorganisms and worms in the soil, pesticides make soil not fertile. Non-fertile soil is incapable of growing plants and trees, which can be extremely dangerous for extinctions of any animals or humans. If we continue to use the pesticides at the same rate, we'll use all of the fertile soil in about 60 years, meaning zero plants or food can be grown. Moreover, because of the increasing pesticide use, bees and other insects who help in pollination are dying. 87.5% of plants need animal pollinators to produce fruit, and the decline of these insects significantly reduces food output. This is an urgent threat that needs to be dealt with quickly to prevent animal and human extinction in the future. Pesticides can affect people in a lot of ways. Exposure of pesticides to people can be linked to cancer, endocrine disruption, neurotoxicity, kidney and liver damage, and birth defects. When people use pesticides, they only look at the positive side, which is killing all the pests. We do not look at the surroundings of them, which are plants. With the more use of pesticides, there's a more risk of nature-friendly plants dying. Once the pesticide gets sprayed, it goes into the soil. Then the roots of the plants take it, assuming that it is a nutrient. Then the chemical goes into the whole plant. The application of pesticides causes a form of toxicity, which can be seen as necrosis, chlorosis, stunting, burns, or twisting of leaves. People think organic foods are pesticide-free, but they are not. Organic foods do not have pesticides that cause cancer, but they do have pesticides made with less harmful substances. Even though organic foods do not have chemicals that cause cancer, but there are substances like soap, so you should wash those foods thoroughly too. Even though pesticides are harmful, if you may have to use them in case of infestation, you must use certain precautions. You can safely use pesticides by making sure there are not any kids or pets close to you. Fully equip yourself with safety equipment from head to toe. Mix how much you need and do not store them in your house. In case of a spill, keep paper towels, garbage bags, and non-absorbent gloves on hand to clean up the spill. There are some alternatives for pesticides. You can use barriers and traps, so if there's a predator, it will be trapped. If you use netting, then nothing that is contagious will be caught onto the plants. Growing your crops in a sunny place is ideal, so the plants can make as much as food they need. The last suggestion would be to rotate the location of your crops each year. In summary, stop using pesticides to save the planet. These are the references. Thank you so much for listening to my video. I hope you learned a lot from this video and never use pesticides unless needed. If you really like this, then please subscribe to our channel and like my video. Thank you.